Welcome, VIPs. I just wanted to touch base with you about washing correctly. I've gotten several questions recently about, hey, my hair is feeling a little weird. This is happening with my hair. I feel like my hair is falling out. What else have I gotten? My hair is a little bit dry. And am I using the right shampoo? So these are all of the questions that I have received recently, and I'm going to answer them all for you in this video right now. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Victoria. I am a market partner with Monat Global, a naturally based anti-aging hair care line, clinically proven to regrow, restore, and repair your hair in 90 days. So number one tip that I've shared, I had top 10 hair tips, but number one tip is brush your hair every day and also right before you shower. The reason is because when you brush your hair, you distribute the natural oils that you have in your scalp, but also it helps remove any of that excess shedding that you may have. So it's very important, even if you don't wash every day, make sure that you are brushing your hair all the time. Also, after you get out of the shower and you go to comb your hair, you are going to use a wide tooth comb. Do not use a brush. I can recommend a wet brush, but I would shy away from it just because your hair is in its most fragile state when it's wet. So I would use a wet brush until your hair, a wet brush or a wide tooth comb until your hair is dry. Then you can switch to a paddle brush or a round brush for styling. Okay, so that's a big tip that I have learned throughout this process. And so I just wanted to pass that along to you guys so you know if you need to make any adjustments. Okay, sorry, just seeing if anybody was on. Okay, so when they start on the Revive shampoo, Replenish mask, and the Revitalize conditioner. So when you wash after you brush your hair, I'm going to open this and show you exactly how much you should be using. I forgot to get a towel. I knew I was going to forget a towel. For thin to medium hair, you are going to want to use a nickel size amount for your hair. Every time you wash with Monat, you are going to wash twice. Why is that? The first time is going to cleanse all of those oils, the dirt, the buildup, the free radicals. And then the second time, you're going to start adding in all of the benefits of your shampoo. So like for this one, this is the volume shampoo. So this is where you'll see the, your hair 8 times its volume. For smooth, really see that smoothness. For renew, you'll see that hydration. Advanced hydration, you'll feel the change. And then for your restructure line, you'll feel that difference as well. Either way, regardless of whatever shampoo you use, make sure you're washing twice. Okay, so hey Lynette, thanks so much for jumping on. I was inspired by you to do this video, so I wanted to let my people know exactly how to wash. Okay, so I have Revive shampoo. It smells so good. It smells like lemons. And you're going to use a nickel size amount. This is why our shampoo lasts so long. So a nickel size amount, I'm not sure if you can see it. There we go. Tiny amount for thin to medium hair. That's the amount that you're going to use. I love the advanced hydration, but I can only use it. Lynette said that she loves the advanced hydration right now. That's her favorite shampoo. For me, it's the smoothing. Smoothing and renew is where it's at. It just gives me the right amount of moisture that I need. If I use the advanced hydration, I have to break it up. So I can only use it like once every other wash or once every 3 washes. So, okay. So for thick hair, you're going to add just a little bit more to a quarter size. And that expanded in my hand while I was talking. And of course, it's liquid gold, so I don't want to waste any of it. I did forget again to get a towel, but it's fine. It smells good. I'll rub it in. It'll be okay. So you're going to wash the first time. Both times you are going to focus on your scalp only. And then if you need to, take your comb in the shower with you to comb it through. Some people need to, some people don't. But also make sure it's going on your hair, not just on your scalp. So I would probably recommend the first time going in on your scalp, and then the second time focusing on the rest of your hair. The first time it will not lather, the second time it will. So try really hard to not think that we're crazy shampoo ladies when it doesn't suds up the first time. The biggest reason for that is because of the sulfates. It doesn't have any sulfates in it, so you don't get that lather that first time. So that's what I got for the shampoo. Now, as far as the different shampoos, I'm going to go from clarifying to most hydrating, just because for me, in my mind, is a perfect scale on how to do that. So the most hydrating, or I'm sorry, the most clarifying would be Revive shampoo. The second one would be the Monat Black, which is the men's 2-in-1. It's a shampoo and conditioner, but it is still pretty clarifying. A lot of our blondies use that for a purple shampoo to take out that mineral buildup. However, now we do have a color enhanced line that is plant-based. Next would be smoothing. That just helps fight frizz. The following hydration would be the hydration line, or the Renew shampoo. And that one's really good for ethnic hair, for thicker hair. It has a lot of the Rejuvenate oil in it, so it is very hydrating. However, now we do also have the advanced hydrating line, which I feel is the next step up from Renew. And Lynette, correct me if I'm wrong, but I really think that the advanced hydration is great, especially if you have, I don't know, I just feel like it's a great everyday wash, if that makes sense, for hydrating. If, like, especially now in the winter months when your hair's really dry, or let's say you're at the beach and you come home, I would use the advanced hydration probably for that next week, just to get your hair back in order. And then the Restructure line, you actually condition, wash first, and then use the shampoo. And you wash twice, but it is a low suds shampoo. So with that one, I feel like it's more of a treatment. So after you get your hair colored or chemically treated, that's when I would use the Restructure line. So those are just my tips that I have found to work. And then for conditioner, I have a leave-in conditioner right here. I really like this. You can use this at night, especially like in these winter months, or if you are put it in your ends and go to bed. Like, it's literally that simple, and it just helps give you that conditioning, so then you don't have dry ends, or even in between the masking treatments, right? So for the, I would say I personally use about 7 pumps. So that's what I got there. 7 pumps for that. Honestly, with conditioner, especially this conditioner, I went through 4 bottles in 2 years. So for this whole mop, you don't really need much conditioner. I'm trying to think what else. Again, there are conditioners to replace anything that you're currently using. Hey, Karen, thanks so much for watching. So the conditioners go Revitalize. That's good for fine to medium hair. The leave-in conditioner, I would use this for ethnic hair or just extra hydration in between washes. The smoothing deep conditioner, that is what I use. It is a heavier conditioner, as well as the Intense Repair. Oh, I forgot the Intense Repair shampoo as well. That one's pretty clarifying. Their Intense Repair shampoo is pretty clarifying as well. It smells like peppermint rosemary. And then they have a really good Intense Repair conditioner. That's good if you are really focusing on that regrowth. And then we'll have the Advanced Hydrating conditioner as well. And then the pre-wash conditioner for the Restructure line. So if you're looking to amp up your hydration, or you have questions, or like, I've been using this for a while. I want to change something about my hair. My hair is just not doing what it did in the beginning. It could be that it's time to change up your shampoo. The reason for that being is after your 90 days, or even 120 days, your hair is clean. It's back to its natural form. So at that time, now we need to start adding in moisture and hydration. Moisture and hydration are two separate things. So how do we do that? So if that is your situation, please message me. I would love to pair you up with new products that suit you better for your hair needs. As always, thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate your investment in my company, and in, you know, you guys taking time out of your day to watch this is definitely an investment for you as well. So I'm always open for questions. I do have the whole product line, so if there's something that you want to try, please let me know. But thank you guys so much for being here. Have a good day. Bye.